Welcome back, everybody. So we had a package arrive last night. So I figured we'd go through everything. This is all for the FF12 mini excavator. So here we have, let's see here how we get it open. Okay, some hardware. Okay, here's the cooling fan that we got for the motor. Go 6-incher. There's that. And it's directional. We ordered some toggle switches. Got an 8-pack of them. I'm sure we'll use them on other projects. That's how they are. We want them small and compact, you know. So there's them. What else we got in here? We found this yaw reel. This is a multi-function meter. So this will monitor our engine speed, the RPMs that it's putting out, cylinder head temperature, a little bit of everything. And I mean, it's just a little small compact unit. I mean, you could compare it with my pocket knife. I mean, that's the size of it. So we'll be mounting it. Then here's the hydraulic cord. This here, I guess, is probably what held everything up for so long for driving. They're waiting for it to get overseas, I guess. The risen hydraulic cord, the 30 liters per minute. This here we're putting on the return side, going back into the hydraulic tank. This here will be our cord. Get him out. There he is. That'd be it. That'd be it. So I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I'm hoping that we shouldn't have any issues mounting this inside the engine compartment. And it's got a little, I don't know, I think it's 16-watt ball bearing fan. I'm sure it's about the same size as that 6-inch fan we got right there. So there's that. So our goal is to cool down the hydraulics on the FF12 mini excavator, and also our goal is to keep the engine cool. Because gasoline, I think it starts evaporating. I forgot at what temperature, but anyway, we want to keep it all cool inside there. So during this summer, when we're using the machine, we ain't got nothing to worry about. But I really think this is going to fit our application quite well. Like I said, it's a 30 liter per minute. So watch for our upcoming videos on installing this, and we're going to be changing the hydraulic fluid over to a Traveler's ISO, I think it's 46, ISO 46. So we're changing everything over on that. We done changed the motor oil in it, but we'll go over that too, how we did that. And also we switched it over to a 5W30 full synthetic. So just keep an eye out for future videos, and we appreciate y'all watching. Remember, like and subscribe if you want to see more content.